Hi, in this recording I want to show off my spline, which is one of the personal missions for GPP. So my spline is based off of a Bezier curve that you can see here. There's also a trigger at the beginning and the end of the curve, so that when the player steps into it, he changes the game mode and gets attached to the curve. And this mode he can only move left or right, and he follows the curve perfectly, while still retaining his ability to move on the y-axis freely, which allows you to do some platforming sections while still moving alongside the platform along the path. And if the player exits the spline, he goes back into main normal game mode. He can also start from the other side and walk down both ways. And the main problem I have as of now is the camera snap. When the player walks, I cannot get the camera to lerp properly, so for now it just snaps.